This is a gag.
Ooh.
What's up, you're watching Hivemind was friend.
My name is Riley, and as always, I'm my swoops grade in. This is Guess Dick. Alright, here's how this one's gonna work. We're gonna see Dick 1 point for each one we get, right? Me versus
Me versus
Graydon versus Dick Cheney.
missiles.
Ooh, we are both very familiar with this. This is a penis. Whoa! A golden
This is reportedly cost the owner $1.
This cost $1. Can you imagine shitting, pissing?
I would love to throw a big lizard.
Please.
This is NF. This is NF. I think this is NF. No, I don't. Tit.
How is that real?
This is a poot monkey worth $15.
You have to burn 11 of these in a furnace. These things are being thrown into furnaces.